Okay, so today we're looking at an essential starter kit from Keto Chow. The starter kit could be a good choice for those like me who are interested in trying Keto Chow out, but find its pricing a bit of a roadblock. So to me, the starter kit is a good deal because for 20 bucks you get, you get 6 meal packets, you get a blender bottle, free shipping, and a $5 store credit. Okay, sounds good, so let's open this bag up and check it out. So we've got a blender bottle, we've got 4 meal packets with the other 2 being inside the bottle itself, making 6 altogether. We've got a little quick start guide, and going through the guide, it's got some info, tells you a little bit about what it is, tips, benefits, how to get started, and that's about it. So here's the shaker bottle itself. You know, I bought a couple of shaker bottles in the past from Amazon. They were very similar to this one quality-wise, and they were somewhere in that $10 range. So getting this as part of the $20 starting kit, I think it's a pretty good value. So let's see what else we've got here. So opening up the bottle, we see the 2 other meal packets. Also inside the bottle, we find a little card with instructions. So let's check out the meal packets themselves. We've got vanilla, which should be a pretty safe bet taste-wise. We've got salted caramel, which I'm looking forward to trying out. And by the way, each of these packets has lots of nutritional data on the back. So if you're into that stuff, knock yourself out. So here's Snickerdoodle, which I believe is supposed to taste like a cinnamon flavored cookie. Not something I'd usually gravitate to, but I'll give it a try. And we've got the old standby chocolate, something I would definitely gravitate to, so I've got no worries there. Now the caramel macchiato, the lemon meringue, I'm kind of unsure about these two. I'm not a big coffee fan, and lemon meringue in a drink sounds a little weird to me, but I'll give them a try. So all in all, you get the bottle, you get these 6 meal packets, you get some instructions, and you get a $5 store credit. It's a decent amount of stuff for 20 bucks. So I'll be trying these out, then once I finish all 6, I'll decide if I want to go forward and buy more of this stuff. Now I'll say this right now, as I go into this, I actually don't see myself buying more because the price is kind of pricey. So unless this stuff is awesome, I'll most likely be one and done with Keto Chow for now. And also my main reason for buying this starter kit is I've been looking a little too spherical lately, and I wanted to change things up a bit. As I record this, we've got about 100 days left in the year, so I'll be looking to use those 100 days to do things a little better health-wise. So once I finish this kit off, I'll most likely not be buying more Keto Chow. However, my hope is it will kickstart some other things, like exercising a little bit more, being more conscious of what I'm eating, watching my calories, my carbs, you know, that kind of thing. So that's it for this unboxing of the Essential Starter Kit from Keto Chow. I hope the rest of your year is a positive, good one, and thanks a ton for watching. Bye.